Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the 7th largest city of the Netherlands. It's located in the province of Brabant and is called Tilburg. This is the way us Dutchies say Tilburg. Tilburg. There is a light emphasis on the first part. Tilburg. Tilburg. All the letters will be pronounced. And yes, there is that famous Dutch at the end. Just keep trying. The Dutch really appreciate hearing that. Just imagine something is stuck in your throat. Tilburg. I am going to visit Tilburg. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check it out. Tot ziens!